If you're like most of us who are always on the go in today's fast-paced world, finding the time to make it to the dentist for restorative procedures is probably one of the last things on your mind.
Well-known cosmetic dentist Dr. David Jin in Fort Lee, New Jersey, teamed up with OneHourTooth.com and is now offering advanced computer technology, the CEREC system, which could be the answer you're looking for.
Every time I think about going to the dentist, I have to plan for days off from work and get a babysitter for my daughter as well.
Now you may be wondering, what is CEREC and what makes it so different? Well, CEREC is new technology that creates custom-fit ceramic crowns and restorations all in one appointment. This is great news for the busy lives we lead.
I've been using CEREC for more than 7 years. Most patients take time off their busy schedule to come to see us, and your time is very important to us. Traditionally, this was a 2 to 3 visit procedure: preparation, try-in, and delivery. Now with CEREC made by OneHourTooth.com, patients are going home with a new tooth, usually in less than 90 minutes. Just imagine only one visit, no messy impressions, temporaries falling out, and additional injections. You are going home with a perfectly fitting tooth today.
Perfectly fitted, custom-designed crowns and restorations are made while you wait using high-tech optical 3D imaging.
With OneHourTooth.com, I use a laser-guided scanner to take a few pictures. The computer will create a 3D model like this one here. I'll design a tooth using the proprietary software, hit the mill button, and I'm done.
After designing a 3D model of your tooth, computer information is then sent by Dr. Jin to an on-site milling unit inside the OneHourTooth van, which will create your restoration in a matter of minutes.
The entire milling process is simple and accurate. Once the tooth is milled, we just need to polish it and then cement it onto the tooth. It's perfect every time.
It feels like my own tooth, no pain, it looks great, and I've only been here for 53 minutes.
Dr. David Jin offers superior dentistry to create gorgeous, lasting smiles in a single visit.